Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that, and I want to share with you something incredible. Hey guys, I want to talk to you about a new business model. Lovely airplanes, helicopters here in my rainforest. Anyway, I want to talk to you about a new business model to work from home. And this is about income producing activities. Now, what does that mean for you? That means you don't do selling, you don't have to have any experience, you don't recruit, and you don't talk to people, okay? And in 3 months, I made $3,450 with this program right out of the gate. And that's, that means I'm learning and earning, because that's the point of it being newbie friendly, is that you can learn how this works and what to do, and you can earn at the same time. And that's what's completely different than most businesses. That doesn't ever happen, right? So that is really, really key. I mean, if you don't like to sell, if you don't like talking to people, you don't like chasing people, you don't want to every day wake up and think, oh, I got to do it again. If you don't like doing any of that, this is for you. Absolutely. Because you don't focus on selling. You do not now. You focus on your income producing activities, which we'll go over that. So you know exactly what we're talking about. One, we have a Facebook community. We comment in because when people get paid, then they post that payment inside our Facebook community, and you comment and congratulate them. I mean, how simple is that? Can you spend 10-15 minutes a day doing that, commenting? So that's one. The other thing you do is you attend our trainings, and this is the earning while you're learning, because you get the simple techniques of training. Simple. And you're learning, but you can earn while you're learning, which is incredibly awesome. I don't know any program that does that, I'll tell you what. So you attend the meetings, the training, and then we have a webinar once a week for new people to check it out, to see what's going on, to see if they like what they see. And our fearless leader is the one that runs those. She is our multi-6-figure earner. She created this program, and she runs the webinars that explain everything. And that is really awesome. So who can't go to a webinar? I'm sure you can. And then the other thing is we do engagements in communities, and we focus on inspiring and value. Now, who doesn't want to inspire and give people value, right? And then we also have targeted traffic. That's number 5. We have targeted traffic. Now, this traffic is so different from any other traffic you've ever used online, period, because this traffic has been interviewed and asked what they're willing to invest in their own home-based business. And they also have been asked how much time they have to spend, because if you've got 2 hours a day, Monday through Friday, there's your time right there. Not a lot of time, and you build it up, you get full-time income, and then how easy is that to do? I mean, that's incredible. So we got our Facebook community, our training, our webinars, our value engagements, and our inspiration, which is really important. And then we have the high targeted traffic. And we also teach you, of course, how to grow your business the right way online. Now, who doesn't want that? you know, because everybody else is chasing people down and dragging them to the link, you could say, and it's just a turn off. You know, if you ask someone to be your friend on Facebook and they send you their link immediately before you even have any interaction with them, that is not the way to build any business. We don't, if the crowd's going left, we're going right. We're doing it the right way. Absolutely, we're doing these activities, and we just have this incredible training that changes everything for you to be successful. And then you can learn about it, you can apply it, and we have instruction down the hill. That's what you're hearing. My beautiful rainforest. So you can apply what you learn at the training, which is simple techniques. It's simple. And you can do that a couple hours a day, and boom, you can earn money doing that. Everybody is earning, that is applying this, that is listening to the steps that all you need. So these are the income producing activities that are required for you to make money online right out of the gate. I mean, how many times have you joined programs and you waited, well, you know, it's going to take at least 6 months to get an income going, and it's going to take time to build. Well, what if you could earn right off the bat? What if you could earn $3,450 the next few months and continue to earn more and more and more and build that into a full-time income? What if, right? Well, you can with a successful solution method, because that is what we do. It is a new business model that works for everyone that follows these simple income producing tasks. It's that simple. It really is. And I want to share that with you because it's so powerful, and so many people are being blessed by it. And if you need an extra income or a full-time income, and this is for you, because with everything going on in our world, people need a solid income that's not going anywhere, that you can do at grandma's house, you can do it at your mom's home, you can do it when you go on vacation in Florida, which I am at the end of the month, so I can take it with me no matter where I go. I can do my couple hours, I got all day to vacation, have fun with my family. We're having a great big birthday bash for my mom, she's turning 90, epic, so everybody's going to be there. It's going to be so fun, and you can do a couple hours anywhere. So convenient, so rest, you know, your mind's at ease. You don't have to worry or wonder how you're going to do this and how you're going to make enough income so you can make it and have extra is important. So this is what we offer. This is what we have, and I'm just really excited about what we have because makes all the difference. So I'm going to go over what you do. You don't focus on selling, which is really important. Most people don't want to sell, don't know how to sell. You don't have to worry about it. We actually have people that close the sales for you. Not only do you get highly targeted traffic, but we have people that talk to them and close the sales, so you don't have to do any part of that. Chasing, we don't chase people. People come to us. People ask us. People ask me every day for information and for my link to see more about the program and to learn and to see what's going on that I don't ever share unless somebody asks for it, which is the right way to build a business. You're not, you know, it's a turn off to just share a link as soon as someone becomes your friend or whatever. It just doesn't work well, and it's not good, and it's not good for your business. So we have an incredible model here that I've been in marketing online, you know, since my kids were little, and this is the most incredible model I've ever seen to teach you how in a simple techniques to learn and creating these habits that millionaires do, but yet they're simple, but you don't have to worry about the selling, which takes away the stress. Really does, and that's important for that to happen, you know. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do a little video of my income stuff in my income, do a proof video of what I make every week, that I've made in income every single week getting started, and it's just getting better and better. So that's thrilling. So I really appreciate watching, so stay tuned for my proof video, and when you get done with that, just subscribe to my page and go to my link in my description and check it out yourself. So here we go. All right, here we are. snapshot of my Stripe account where you can see my weekly payments on my account from June here. You can see at the bottom $300 June 26th. Now I actually made $350 June 5, but we didn't have that payment thing hooked up yet, so it's not going to be on my Stripe account. It was I got that by Zelle, and then the next week I made $750 July 3, $50 the next week, $300, then $400, as you can see the dates on the right, and then the $100 up next, and then where the big arrow is, it was a $600 day there, August 7, and then the $50, and then the $150, and then $400. So that is my consistent weekly income, as you can see from my snapshot of my Stripe account, to a total of $3,450.